Today, Bio360 Europe is honored to introduce Timo Herbrand, co-founder of PyroCCS.
Hi, my name is Timo Herbrand. I'm a co-founder of PyroCCS based in Germany. At this year's Bio360, I'll be presenting PyroNam, our Namibian subsidiary and one of the first industrial biochar projects operating in Africa. At PyroNam, we convert invasive species into biochar, high-quality bio-oil and energy while generating industrial BCR credits. Since we started in 2021, PyroNam has achieved proof of concept and is now ready to scale operations in Namibia. But it was a long and rocky road to get there. At Bio360, I'll talk about the challenges we faced, the key learnings from operating on the ground, and what is actually needed to set up successful industrial BCR projects in Africa. I'll also briefly touch on how we are applying these learnings in Southern Africa through a new venture called PyroSA. I'm very much looking forward to meeting you in Nantes. Happy New Year and see you at Bio360.